In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a Word document to Gmail. We will walk through every click together so you can follow along even if this is your first time sending an attachment. First, open your browser and search for Gmail. In the address bar at the top, you can type Gmail and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official Gmail link, usually near the top, with the familiar red and white envelope logo. Click that link so it opens the Gmail website in your browser tab. Once Gmail loads, log in if you are not already logged in. You will see boxes asking for your email address and then your password. Type them carefully, since even one wrong letter will stop the sign-in. After you enter your details, click the button to continue. When the inbox appears with a list of messages in the center and folders on the left, you know you are signed in and ready. Now click the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new email. The button usually has a bright color and a pencil icon, and it sits above your list of folders. When you click it, a small Compose window slides open, often in the lower right or middle of the screen. You should see fields for To, Subject, and the main message area. Next, in the To field, type the recipient's Gmail address. Click once in the To box so the cursor appears, then carefully enter the full address. A common beginner mistake is leaving out part of the address, like the word Gmail or the .com, so double-check it before you continue. If Gmail recognizes a contact you have emailed before, it might suggest it below the box, and you can click that suggestion. From there, click the paperclip icon called Attach Files at the bottom toolbar of the Compose window. This row of icons sits right under the message area. Move your mouse over the icons until you see the word Attach Files appear, then click that paperclip. As soon as you click it, a file browser window will open on your computer. In the file browser, browse your computer folders, select your Word document with the docx ending, and click Open. You can click on folders on the left or double-click them in the main area until you find where the document is stored. When you click Open, the file starts uploading to Gmail. Watch for a small blue progress bar next to the file name in the Compose window, and wait until that bar is completely filled and the file name appears without a spinning icon. With that ready, type your message and click Send. Click in the large message box, write a short note explaining the document, then check the top of the window to make sure the To address looks correct. When you click Send, the Compose window closes and a small confirmation appears near the bottom saying your message has been sent. You have now emailed a Word document to someone using Gmail from start to finish. So if this helped you get your file sent, a quick thumbs up would be great, and feel free to subscribe for more clear Gmail how-tos.